Today I will show you how to make out-of-box effect in Photoshop. Choose Type tool. Type your text. Press Ctrl T and make it bigger. Decrease opacity of image. Adjust the image size. Reset back opacity to 100%. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Duplicate the layer. Click on Mask icon. Right-click on bottom layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select Layer Mask. Choose Brush. And follow the process. Create a new layer. Choose Brush tool. Apply this settings. Decrease opacity. Hold Ctrl key and click on Layer Mask. It will bring back the selection. From Select menu choose Inverse. And follow the process. Don't forget to like and comment on video. And thanks for watching.